Welcome to my maths class, class 6, semester 2, fractions. In the previous video, we are solving the problems from exercise 7.4. Now we will continue them. The 8th problem is, Ayla read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. The total number of pages in the book are 100. She read 25 pages. Lalita read 2/5 of the same book. Lalita read 2/5. The fraction she read, the number of the fraction of the pages she read from the book is 2/5. Who read less? We have to write the fraction of pages Ayla read. So for solution, Ayla read 25 pages. Total pages is equal to 100. Therefore, fraction of the pages she read is equal to total number of the pages is the denominator and number of pages read by her 25. Therefore, fraction of the pages she read is equal to 25 by 100. Now we will convert it into its simplest form. Dividing both the numerator and denominator by 25, because 25 is the multiple of both 25 and 100. Therefore, dividing it by 25, both the numerator and the denominator, 25 divided by 25, 1. 100 divided by 25 is equal to 4. Therefore, fraction of the book Ayla read is 1/4. But Lalita read 2/5 of the pages. So now we have to compare which is less. Who read? They asked us who read less. Therefore, out of 1/4 and 2/5, which is less? We will see. Ayla read 1/4 of the pages, and Lalita read 2/5 of the pages. So we have to take equivalent fractions and select the two fractions whose denominators are the same. For that, we can do like this also. The product of the two denominators, 4 into 5, is equal to 20. Therefore, we convert the two fractions into their equivalent fraction having 20 as denominator. Therefore, 1/4 is equal to, if we multiply by 5, we will get 20. Therefore, multiplying both numerator and denominator by 5, we get 1 into 5 by 4 into 5. That is equal to 5 by 20. Similarly, the other fraction, we get 20 when we multiply 5 by 4. Therefore, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 4 and get an equivalent fraction whose denominator is 20. Therefore, 2 into 4 by 5 into 4. 2 4s 8 and 5 4s 20. Therefore, the fraction of the pages Ayla read is equal to 5 by 20. 1/4, that is equal to 5 by 20. The fraction of pages Lalita read 2 by 5 is equal to 8 by 20. So which is less among 5 by 20 and 8 by 20? 5 by 20 is less because these two are like fractions. Therefore, we will compare the numerators, and 5 is less than 8. Therefore, 5 by 20 is less than 8 by 20. 5 by 20 is 1/4, the fraction of the pages read by Ayla. So, who read less? Ayla read less. The answer is Ayla. Ayla read less number of pages. Next, going to the next problem, 9th. Rafiq exercised for 3/6 of an hour. Rafiq exercised for 3/6 of an hour, while Rohit exercised for 3/4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? Rafiq exercised for 3/6 of an hour and Rohit exercised for 3/4 of an hour. Observe the two fractions. Here these two are unlike fractions, but the numerators are same. Therefore, we compare easily. The fraction whose denominator is less is greater. So here 3/4, 4 is less than 6. Therefore, 3/4 is greater than 3/6. So 3/4, Rohit exercised for 3/4 of an hour. Therefore, who exercised for longer time is Rohit exercised for longer time. 3/4 of an hour is greater than 3/6 of an hour. So next, last problem, 10th problem. We will go to 10th problem. So first read the problem. In a class A of 25 students, 20 passed with 60% or more marks. So total number of students in class A is equal to 25 students. Number of students passed with 60% or more. So number of students passed with 60% or more is equal to 60%, 20. 20 passed with 60% or more, 20. Therefore, fraction of the students passed with 60% or more, fraction of students passed with 60% or more is equal to total number of students written as denominator, number of students passed with 60% or more is written as numerator. Therefore, 20/25. Converting it into simplest form, 20 divided by 5 by 25 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4 and 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, number of students or fraction of students who got 60% or more is equal to 4/5 in class A. Now we will go to class B. In class B, total number of students. Class B, in another class B, 30 students. So total number of students is equal to 30. Number of students passed with 60% or more is equal to number of students passed, 24 passed with 60% or more, 24. Therefore, fraction of the students passed with 60% or more is equal to total number of students is taken as the denominator and the number of students passed with 60 or more is numerator, 24/30. So both are divided by, converting it to simplest form, 6 is a factor for both 24 and 30. Therefore, dividing the both numerator and the denominator by 6, 24/6 is 4, 4, 6. 30/6, 30/5, 4/5. The fraction of the students who got 60% or more in class B is also 4/4. Therefore, which class got more marks? More marks. In which class was a greater fraction? Both the classes have the same fraction of students passed with 60% or more. So let us revise it. 25 students, 20 have passed. So 20 by 25. 20 by 25, first fraction. And in the next 24 passed in the class of 30. So 24 by 30. So if they are equal, the cross products must be equal. Therefore 20 into 30, 20 into 30, 600. 20 into 30 is equal to 25 into 24. 25 into 24, that is equal to 25 fours 100. 25 to is 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 600. Therefore, both the ratios are equal. Therefore, both the classes have the same fraction of students got 60% or more. Okay. In the next class, I will continue the additions and subtractions of fraction. The additions and subtractions of fractions. Meanwhile, you go to all these videos regarding the fractions and watch the next video.